Okay, today we're going to take a look at the Abus 7240. It's got a fairly tight keyway here, paracentric. I'm going to be using a 32 thousandths Covert Instruments turner. Yeah, there we go. Good and tight. I'm also using the Multi-Pick PN31, I believe this is, and 0.6 millimeter, which is like 23.5 thousandths, I think. But with that narrower shank, because these are the narrow profiles, it actually gets in between the warding pretty nicely, I found. So it's also got the Hilo handles, magnetic. We'll see what this takes to get in here. Start on pin 1. Alright, pin 1 had a nice deep pulse set. And at different times you'll see me kind of alternating the direction of my pick between left and right, just because of the keyway. Sometimes I can get on the pin a little bit easier. There we go. I think we're getting close. And there we go. Thanks for watching.